Bryson, what are we doing today, man?
As you saw from the previous clip, that wheel might be bent. Or the wheel bearings going out, we'll see.
We're gonna find out.
And there's an exhaust leak.
Hold on a second. Shakedown, POV.
Did that move?
Not at all.
Do side to side. That's moving.
I don't feel anything.
I can see it moving.
Oh my god, I literally see it moving.
It doesn't click.
Do the other side.
Wait. Oh, the fucking handbrake. God damn it. Hold on. I have an
A couple L's today. It might not be the wheel, but that's what we're here to figure out.
I'd rather it be the wheel bearing than the wheel, because the wheel bearing would be cheaper than one of these wheels.
That's true. Do you have press-in wheel bearings?
It's a Nissan. They're all the same wheel bearing. It's the same as your Pathfinder.
Oh. That one was not the most fun to do. That was
Set these down. Wow. Extremely small
guys, check
bolts.
this out. Look, it's a brake rotor. Wow.
I don't think. I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
I don't know.
What this is for. Dirty but clean.
I don't feel any clicking.
I mean, that's the other.
Yeah, is the other one moving?
Yeah. Find the exhaust leaks. Let's do this first. Step number 1. We need to watch this caliper walk. We got a bent hub if it walks. Because we just checked that wheel and the wheel was not bent in the slightest. Dude, I do not see that thing walking. Get the speed up more.
A little bend to it, but like, it's not.
Nothing like what we saw.
Yeah, it wasn't. It's not walking like it was. That was bad on the highway. So yeah, I guess.
Are you taking a picture? Or are you taking a video?
Taking a video.
I always take videos.
Popped up with 76 on the screen.
So look at it up here. This was rubbing the heat shield. So
Yeah, you can see the scratches right there.
because it was pushed all the way down the hanger, like the hanger was all the way here. So we just pushed it back.
Yeah, we're getting bougie.
Yeah, I don't want to make a whole new pipe right
And then
now.
right here you can see leaking.
Yeah, that's all gonna add to
Tank, all that.
we have to
Yeah,
get the
that's,
gasket shitty to make it even worse because it's still gonna leak.
We can do the retack at least right
What do we do
now.
about this right now?
Oh, yeah, it's too. I don't think so. Do you need a thicker gasket? I don't understand why it's blown out the bottom.
I don't know. Heading to AutoZone in the VIP machine, doing this clip quick so there's no copyright.
Here's what we got. We got some metal gaskets, some paper gaskets, and then the metal. So we picked up. These two, there's gonna be 2 going on the front and then 3 going on the rear. We're gonna double stack some gaskets. We're gonna really bougie this thing up, make sure it don't leak no more. We're gonna replace that one. And this one, as you can see. Here you go, man. You get some talking time, man.
Hello!
Hello!
Yeah, it sounds terrible. It rubs against this and there's like a weird chirping noise. I think it's from this and it sounds fucking terrible. And it's kind of embarrassing. So That'll be better now.
Damn!
Yeah.
Oh, I looked at that. He's gonna get a Clash Royale POV while he's welding.
Alright. So, I repatched those on that shitty job, and then we triple stacked the gaskets on that, and that's gonna work pretty well for the time being until we order the correct ones, because they're a little bit too small. But the one more towards the front of the car, we did get pretty damn good.
It's still gonna leak from the back flange.
Yeah, it's still gonna leak from the back flange because we have to order the correct ones, but we fixed 2 other spots where it's leaking, and there's just one left because that one already was bad, so we didn't make it any worse, we made it better. What is that? I don't see anything. All right, stop. Bro. Tell me what the hell just happened while we were leaving.
So you heard the crunching. This random bracket was just inside my drum handbrake, and it wasn't like to anything, like nothing was missing the clip. So, and the shoes look newer, so whoever did the shoes, the previous owner probably fucked it up.
But how did it just fall out now? We don't know.
Yeah, that, like, last video you literally see me swing this car and it didn't do anything. I literally lowered it off the lift, backed up. I don't know.
Someone planted it. Bitch.